Hello everyone. I am Professor Karthik Kashyap from the School of Computing and Information Technology, REVA University. Welcome to the today's session of your AI workshop. And in today's session, we'll try to do something which is super fun, creative and exciting. Yes, we will use prompt engineering to create comic style visualization of the legendary scenes of Ramayana. Yes, you heard that right, the Ramayana. We all know prompt engineering is basically an art of giving instruction to the AI in order to achieve an intended task or an intended goal. In today's session, we'll try to do exactly that. We will use prompt engineering to create visualization of the scenes from Ramayana. So I will take you all back to an era where monkeys used to cross the ocean and the golden cities were ruled by the demon kings. We begin asking ChatGPT to break down the event of Lord Hanuman leaps across the ocean in search of Mother Sita and his epic heroic return to deliver the news of Mother Sita to Lord Rama in the chronological order of its occurrence. And here is the prompt. Now we have the scene breakdown. Let's bring them live with the visuals. For the first scene, I'll copy the description from the ChatGPT and prompt it to generate comic style visualization. And here is the prompt. Look at it. Isn't it stunning? It captures the moment with so much detail and the storytelling flair is so amazing. That's the power of ChatGPT. Now for the second scene, I'll use Manga style to make it more dramatic so that every style brings a new flavor to the story. Here is your prompt to the story. You will have to remember one thing. You may not get the perfect output on the first try itself. That's part of prompt engineering, right? So you will have to keep on refining, experimenting, and trying to unlock the full creative potential of an AI. So for the third scene, we'll go little traditional and royal. We'll use the world famous Ravi Verma's classic Indian style of painting to visualize this scene of Ramayana. And here is the prompt. Just notice how AI preserves the essence of the story while matching it with the visual. That's the power of combining culture and the technology. AI truly helps to reimagine our stories in various styles, right? So now we shall use Ghibli style and try to visualize this scene. Here is the prompt. And for the grand finale, let's lighten our tone a bit and we'll use cartoon style to illustrate the Hanuman's epic return and deliver the news to Lord Rama. Look at that. Isn't it stunning? It captures the moment with so much detail and precision. And AI's storytelling flair is just amazing. We have used different styles to create visualization for different scenes from Ramayana. Now it's your turn. I want you all to select the story of your choice from Panchatantra and create AI-powered visuals. Let the storyteller in you shine. With the ChatGPT and the right prompt, you are just minutes away from becoming an AI Valmiki. If you have enjoyed this session, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you tomorrow with another exciting topic. Until then, keep creating.